What's up guys, welcome to Sublime Crochet. In this video I'll be taking you a tutorial on how to make this beautiful earring. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. So in this video we'll be doing using a pair of earring, 4mm hook and any crochet yarn you want. So I had to pause my video here to explain what I did from the beginning. I did a slip knot, then chain one, and I started doing single crochet rather around my earring. So let's dive in. So you're going to single crochet round your earring. Single crochet is just you wrapping your yarn around, then yarning out, in and out, just like that. So yes, I'm gonna try this one more time. Yes, you're going to do it round to get that effect. For row two, chain one, turn your work around. So you're going to chain two, one, two, then insert your hook next to the stitch beside the chain, then do a single crochet, chain two, one, two, insert, skip the next stitch and insert your hook into the next stitch, then do a single crochet, chain two, one, two, skip the next and enter the next stitch with, you're going to skip one stitch and enter the next stitch with a single crochet. I think that should explain better. Chain two, skip the next, then enter the next stitch with a single crochet. That's the best way I can explain it right now, so I bet you should understand. Chain two, skip the next stitch and enter the other stitch with a single crochet. Chain two, let's do it again. Skip the next, then enter the next stitch with a single crochet. Exactly, super easy, super easy. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share and like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click on your notification bell so whenever I drop a video you'll be notified ASAP. So keep doing it and I'll meet you at the end. So at the end you're just going to chain one, cut your hand, and that's the end of your project. See you when I upload a new tutorial on my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so whenever I upload a video you get notified immediately.